Hi and welcome to VCR Vlogs. Yesterday I was discussed with you about SAP SD introduction. Today I will discuss with you enterprise structure concept in this SAP SD. See here. What is enterprise structure? Enterprise structure is the first concept in this SAP SD. Well, the enterprise structure is the definition of specific organizational elements or organizational units that together represent a company's business units and some divisions. This is the enterprise structure. In this enterprise structure, one minute. Yeah. In our client must have one company. Company must have company code. Under this company code, we have sales organization, distribution channel, division, sales area, sales office, sales group, plant. These all are the organizational elements in the enterprise structure. In this enterprise structure, we need to maintain all these organizational elements to design the organizational structure of the client to run the sales process. Main intention of the enterprise structure is for client, the client has to run the sales process. For that purpose, we have to define or we have to design the following all organizational elements. That's why we are using enterprise structure. Enterprise structure is the fundamental concept of or fundamental key to any project. This is the main abbreviation of the enterprise structure. This enterprise structure has all these organizational elements. Here, first we will discuss one by one of these organizational elements. Company code. Company code is the legal entity that is responsible for entire business process in the company. For example, we were taken an example of the so and so client. Like here, I am discussing with you Dr. Reddy's, for example. If we are implementing SAP for a company Dr. Reddy's, it shall be created the company code in the SAP system. The Dr. Reddy's shall be created as company code in the SAP system. The length of the company code is the 4 digits one. Here one note point is there. Company code is not defined by SAP SD functional consultant. Company code is defined in finance module only. FICO consultant will define company code. That is not our task, but good to know. Next, coming to the next organizational element, sales organization. Sales organization is the highest level of element in the SAP SD. It is the responsible organizational element that is going to handle all the sales process in the company code. Company code. In sales process, some sales organization plays an important key role in company. And the number of sales organization we need to define depends on the sales process only. As per the company sales process only, we will define the sales organization. How many sales organization the company will require for company sales process. That much of sales organizations only we have to define. The length of the sales organizations is 4 digits only. If the company is having domestic sales and export sales, we have to define 2 sales organizations only, like domestic sales organization and wholesale organization. wholesale sales organization, whatever the company requirements, that much of sales organizations only we have to define. More than that, we now need to create. Okay, then coming to the next organizational element. One more thing, based on the sales organization, only the currency, we specify the currency in which the sales transaction will execute it. Next, coming to the next organizational element, distribution channel. It is the channel through which the goods are sold to the consumer. And there is one point I have to tell you. There is a difference between customer and consumer. Means, customer means we will go to one shop and buy one product. We are the customers. But the shop will bring all the products from one wholesale market. Between wholesale market and us, means between wholesale market and customer, one channel partner is there. Those person we will call as consumer. For example, the company can sell the goods to the consumers by having different channels like wholesaler, retailer, online sales, etc. The length of distribution channel is 2 digits. Next, coming to the division. Division is nothing but a product, range of the product. You have to remember only this line is enough for division. Division is the range of the product of the company. The company is selling can be divided into different divisions. It is the product line of the company. That may be categorized in the material depending on their purpose and usage. The division, all products are not same. Some products are for different purpose and different usage. So, the division is nothing but the range of the product only. The division length is also 2 digits only. Next, coming to this next sales organization part. Next organizational element is sales area. What is the sales area? Sales area is the combination of sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Sales area always represents the basic sales process of the company. That is always specify which divisions are sold through which distribution channels under the sales organization. And why? Because the sales area is the combination of sales organization and distribution channel and division. Here, the sales area will represent the basic sales process of the company. It is always specify which divisions, means which products are sold through which distribution. Which distribution means either wholesaler or retailer or online channels. Under the sales organization, under which sales organization, in which channel partner has sold to the product. This is the process of the sales area. Next, the number of sales areas we need to define depends on the sales requirements of the company or client. All the sales transactions will be executed within a sales area only. Here is the example of this enterprise structure. Here we have domestic sales organization and export sales organization. These two we will call it as channel partners. Means channel partners is the terminology of like us, but in SAP SD we will use the terminology as distribution channel. Right? The domestic sales organization and export sales organizations are two distribution channels. In this example, these two distribution channels have two divisions. One suppose domestic sales organization has two divisions here. No, 4 divisions total. cardiology and neurology. 4 divisions. And export sales organization also has 2 divisions only. Why? Because export sales organization has only one distribution channel, that is online sales. So here it sell only cardiac and neurology through online sales only. This is the simple example of sales area. This is the example of sales area. I have to mention here example of sales area. Here in this example, what is sales organization, what is distribution channel, and what is division? We have to. Here, domestic sales organization is the sales organization. Wholesaler and retailer are the distribution channels. Cardiology and neurology are the divisions. I think it's very clear to you right now with this example regarding sales area. Next, coming to the next organizational element, sales line. What is the sales line? It is the combination of sales organization, distribution channel only. What is the difference between sales area and sales line? Sales area is the combination of sales organization, distribution channel, and division. But sales line is the combination of sales organization and distribution channel only. The sales line can be used for manufacturing the pricing and can also be used for the assignment of plant. Actually, assignment topic is the next topic. There I will discuss with you regarding this plant and assignment. Generally, what is the plant? Plant means where we have to store our materials. Those places we will call it as plant. That much is enough present regarding this plant. After in plant determination and definition of the enterprise structure, organizational elements, I will discuss with you regarding this plan. Okay. Next, coming to the next organizational element, sales office. What is the sales office? Sales office is the geographical representation of the company. Every company must have sales guys in the enterprise. Actually, the term sales office is the geographical representation of the company in the enterprise structure, but as of now, I have to discuss with you all the branch offices of the company which are administrative. Main head office have some branches. In branch office, there is number of sales people are there. And in branch office, the company which are administrating the sales activities can be created as sales office in the SAP system. Whatever the administrative works are all there in the company, all those works will be processed in the sales office only. The length of the sales office is 4 digits. Next, sales group. The sales employees working in the sales office. Sales means there is number of sales employees. All sales employees working in a sales office can be divided into a sales group depending on the sales group designations. That is sales group. Here, I will show you the example of entire enterprise structure. Okay, it will clear you perfectly all your doubts regarding enterprise structure. Here, company code, sales organization, distribution channel, division, sales office, sales group, sales line. These organizational structures shows all the organizational elements. Here, company code, sales organization, distribution channel, division, these all elements we will call it as organizational elements. One more thing we have to observe here. The combination of sales organization, distribution channel, and division is called as sales area. Sales area is come under the sales office is comes under the sales area. Sales group is come under the sales office. And the combination of the sales organization, distribution channel, we will call it as sales line. This is the entire structure of the enterprise structure. Okay, now I can clear you very well. Next step. This is the structure, and I will discuss you one more example for your clarification. Please see here. Aurobindo is the client. Aurobindo client means company. Domestic sales and export sales are the company codes. Domestic sales organization and export sales organizations are the sales organization. And wholesale, retail, and online sale are these three are distribution channels. Cardiology and neurology, these two are division. This is the total enterprise structure of the enterprise structure. Company, Aurobindo is company. Domestic sales and export sales are company code. Domestic sales organization and export sales organizations are sales organization. Wholesaler, retailer, and online sale are the distribution channels. Neurology and cardiology are the divisions. This is the explanation of the example of the structure of the enterprise structure. Now I think it's very clear for you. Next, coming to the last and final organizational element, that is company. What is the company? Company is the group of companies. Means, in our terminology, we will call it as head office. Company means group of companies in the sense branches. For example, I will discuss you. I will take Reliance Group. Reliance Group is the company. Reliance Group is the company in the SAP system, and each company in that group becomes a company code. Each company in that group, in the sense, if suppose Reliance Group have number of branches like Trends, SmartPoint, etc., etc. These Reliance Trends, we will call it as Trends, and SmartPoint, we will call it as company codes. Reliance Group is the company. If required, one company code can sell the goods to another company code, means Reliance Trends can sell the goods to Reliance SmartPoint. Like that process also will be done in the sales. That process we will call it as intercompany sales process. This is the company. Now it is clear. This is the overall explanation of enterprise structure. If you have any doubts regarding this enterprise structure, please comment. I will connect with you. If you like my explanation, please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. If required, I will share this material also to you as soon as possible. And if it is useful for your friends and family members whoever are looking to migrate their professional life into SAP SD, it may be useful for them. Please share it to whoever required. That may be helpful for me and very supporting for me. Please like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you.